Hey guys, welcome to the Frugal Fixer shop. Today I'm going to show you how I made this little router sled. It's all see-through, right? Check it out. So you can see down in here where you want to work when you get ready to take the weight out of that guitar. So follow along and watch this. I'll show you how I made it. It's easy. Okay, I made this and I've been using it as a sled, but it's just not quite what I want, guys. It's a little bit agitating to work with. So I'm going to change it and redo it and make it more conducive to working more efficiently here. I got it. Now, let's got these two off of here, right? So we're going to use those, but we're going to use them as stiffeners, okay? So we're going to take this off. We're going to take the router out of it. Get it out of it. We got some to work with. Let's see if we got enough. It had cracks in it, and I was trying to use up the bad pieces, okay? So we're going to use this one. That looks pretty good. We'll just make us a couple of lines on it, and go cut it right quick without breaking it again, okay? So why don't we make it, as long as we got these things to put on it, to give us some strength, to put a little strength in it, to give it some stiffness, you know, because I want it stiff and I want to be able to see down inside of it. That's what my idea is. So why don't we cut this thing off right here, and then we'll cut it off right here and get us two good square cuts, and then we'll bring it back in here. We'll mount this onto it, and we'll save this one because this one's got a purpose. It goes on that toe, and I need to buy another one of these cheap routers is what I need to do. So. Well, yeah, let's go. Let's take this out there and cut it right quick. I got the saw set up. I'll get you some close-ups of it, okay? Sometimes they cut, sometimes they explode, okay? Okay, now, let's get the other end. Now we can get over here and line us up and get a real pretty line where we want it. Okay, guys, y'all see that? I hope so. I hope y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay, got that. It ain't perfect, but it's what I got. It needs cleaning. I'll clean it on my shirt. That ought to work. Let's go see. What we want to do is we want to mount this on here somehow so we can make this work. So we'll take this off of here first. Okay, now this here needs to go right there with that one because they work together. That all goes together and that works. Now we want to put this right in the center of this so we can see it and look, and we'll be able to work. So we can see all around what we're doing here, okay? So, yep, we want to do that just like that, something like that. You know, that's probably plenty of screws. Stay. Now, got to grind these two off right here and get them out of the way so they're not poking through. So we'll do that, get them out so they're not hurting anything. And then we're going to mount these on here like this to give us some stiffness. And I think I'm going to just probably drill these screws in from the top and grind them off on the bottom, and that'll be the smoothest way to get them. Okay, let's do that. So, let me see. I can use this for a table to work to get this up off the table. Look at that. Okay, so let's put some stiffeners on this thing here. Let's put one on each side. All right, now got to go get rid of all these nasty screws. All right, I got it all emptied out now where I can see. Wow, dude, look at that. There it is right there. Now I just need a hole through the center of it going in, so let's go ahead and make one right quick. Oh, I can unplug the heater. I don't need that. It ain't on right now anyway. Okay. There you go. Let me loosen it up so I can drop it down in there now. Okay, what we're going to do, we're just going to raise it up just a hair, get it going, and we're just going to push it down through the hole. You can see exactly where your line is. Pull up to it and just kind of go down the line. That's going to be perfect. That is going to be perfect. I'm liking this already, guys. Check it out. If you need to lighten it, take some weight out of that guitar, this is the way you do it, guys. Got you a simple little jig. Well, guys, thank you very much for staying around and watching that. I hope you got something out of it, and it's just another one of them Frugal Fixer deals. I just come up with a way to do something. And you know something, if you save money on this, you can put more money in this. That's kind of the way you got to look at it, guys. So, hey, y'all be good. Stay out of trouble. God loves you, and so do I, and can't take it with you, so spend it on something you enjoy. Be good. See you later.